No, mine's
Alright,
something that
welcome
they do
back.
have to get down on the ground for.
Butt sex.
That's pretty much it.
Butt stuff.
Yay! I love that one.
You guessed it.
Turning
from
the
the
rivers
period.
red with the bold of
A
infinite.
bag of magic beans.
And the blood of
Bag of
infidels.
Gogurt.
I don't have a good
Saxophone
voice.
solos.
Oh my god, a bag of
Turning
magic
the rivers
beans.
red with the blood of infidels.
You can use mine if you want.
So
I just
they
kind of
do.
laughed at it.
3 and 4 are
Stuff.
the best, I think.
I think the first one's good too.
Yeah, the first one's good.
Butt stuff.
I think the first
Yeah,
4 is
that's
the
a good
best
one, too.
ones.
I really like the
A bag
saxophone
of magic
solos, though.
beans.
I played
That
the
was my
saxophone.
favorite.
Yeah, I
In
know. I
what's
saw your
being
picture in the
hailed
yearbook
as a
today.
major breakthrough, scientists have synthesized blank in the lab.
Oh, this one's great.
Oh!
Oh god, what was that?
Oh! Oh! Oh, okay.
Okay, let's go with that one.
Alright, let's see what we have here. In what's being hailed as a major breakthrough, scientists have synthesized meaningless sex. A floor that is literally made of lava, helplessly giggling at the mention of Huttus and Tuttus. Me time. Every ounce of charisma left in Mick Jagger's tired body, or achieving reproductive success in the lab.
I've got moves like Jim.
Yay!
No.
That
I
one
was
good.
like,
That one was
I'm gonna go with that one.
Before blank, all we had was blank. Back in my day, before blank, all we had was blank. I can't remember my memory well. Can you help me, Shinies?
Man, this first one's really good, but I don't have the second
This
one.
is kind of throwaway cards.
Man. Well, why the fuck not?
Burp.
I wish these two went together well, but they kinda do.
Before Heath Ledger, all we had was important news about Taylor Swift.
Heath Ledger played as the Joker
all we had
in
my
Batman.
friends dying. Before rotating shapes in midair so they can fit into another shape when they fall. All we had was the Hamburglar.
He's back,
Before
by the
Becca
way.
Hitler, all we
I know,
had
that's
was
amazing. The hamburger was awesome.
He's like a suburban dad.
Yeah.
Before achieving the manual dexterity and tactical brilliance of a 12-year-old and cool Korean boy, all we had was drum circles. Before recalling quantum theory and general relativity, all we had was a lifetime of sadness. I don't know. I like
Heath
the,
Ledger played as Joker in the Batman movies.
I like drum circles.
Well, in some of
and,
them.
a lifetime of sadness.
Yeah, those are great.
Yes.
Yeah. A lifetime of sadness.
Yeah, that's a good one.
James is a lonely boy, but when he discovers a secret door in his attic, he meets a magical new friend.
Now only if we still had
God.
masturbation, okay? That's
Dude,
what we wanted last time.
Masturbation is an automatic win.
Not really, because log wasn't an automatic win for that one. Other one.
No.
I
Masturbation
got
is
something
just
like
amazing.
masturbation.
I'm gonna read them all though. The ghost of Marlon Brando. A homemade cum stained Star Trek uniform. A fart. Grand Theft Auto Fort Lauderdale. The human body. All the single ladies.
Put your hands up!
But that's not a friend, that's several friends.
So put your hand up!
In an attempt to recreate conditions just after the Big Bang, physicists at the LHC are observing collisions between blank and blank.
Kind of throwing away cards here.
I think this is a good one.
In an attempt to recreate conditions just after the Big Bang, physicists at the LHC are observing collisions between exploding pigeons and space muffins, harnessing the miraculous power of the atom to slaughter 200,000 Japanese people, and Shaquille O'Neal's acting career.
Shaquille.
The color puce and another soap rag.
It's pusa, I think.
Glory holes. Waiting till marriage and suicidal thoughts. Nunchuck moves and a magical tablet containing a world of unlimited pornography.
Yes.
That would recreate the
Pretty much
black hole.
every picture in the universe would be in there because a lot of people are into a lot of things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do I have to read this one?
No, I'll read
I
it
want
for
to
you.
try it tonight.
Honey,
You can be
I have
blank
no-
and I'll be blank.
Oh.
I got good cards on this one.
What? I do have that card.
Yeah, mine is really dumb too.
Lugia,
Okay,
you want me to read
this
it?
is hinting
Well,
towards something.
because
For you?
the game was pre-recorded, I can't use the card.
I can read you can be blank and I'll be blank.
I'll read the blanks and you read the things. Alright.
No.
What?
Oh, well,
I'm
my
fine.
game isn't working, so.
We'll wait for your thing to be done.
Gavin, you could just read, you can be blank and I'll be blank, because that doesn't hint towards
Yeah,
anything.
that's what I said.
Lay down.
Oh.
Dead baby.
Oh my god.
Oh. Wow. Oh god. Number 3.
Number 4.
Jiggle physics.
I think I'm gonna go with the
Simulator
first
for
one,
that.
to be honest.
No.
But nah, I really like number 4.
Aw,
Yeah,
dead
physics,
babies and
though.
elderly
Yeah.
Japanese men.
Taking a man's
Jiggle
eyes and
physics.
balls out and putting his eyes where his balls are and his balls where his eyes are.
This is bad.
Oh my god.
No. This is blank.
Well, basically,
Oh,
I have
can't
the
decide
answer.
between two.
I have the answer to this.
I can't
picked this one.
I can't decide
have
between
to-
two.
No.
I have the answer to
You
this.
have the
I
answer to
swear.
this? Are you?
Fuck. Okay. There's 2 I really can't decide between. Should I get help?
Hey, Phil,
Just go
can I
for
please
it.
read this? Can I please read this for you?
What?
This is madness. No,
I want to
this
read this.
is.
Dude, Josh never reads it anyway, so just go ahead.
I'm gonna take that one.
I was gonna read him. I was gonna read him
Oh,
this time
God.
because this is a sausage festival. This is just a paper! This is exactly what you expect! This is the home video of an orphan sobbing into a lean cuisine! This is a spontaneous conga line! This is anal fistures like you wouldn't believe!
No, I said I have the answer. Can you guess what card's mine?
Exactly what you'd expect.
I say sausage festival
No.
because that's amazing.
That was mine!
That's just amazing.
Descends the sausage festival.
It's a sausage fest!
Members of New York social elite are paying thousands of dollars just to experience.
I don't know why I picked that one, but I did.
Yeah, same here.
I picked this one because it's amazing.
Like, I had one that really would have worked way better, but I don't know why, but that one.
I don't.
We're always either waiting for Hovercop or Phil.
I put mine in.
That's because they actually think about what they put down.
Yeah.
Huh?
Members of the New York social elite are paying thousands of dollars just to experience white privilege. The unbelievable world of mushrooms. A homoerotic subplot.
Oh, my favorite.
I'm not gonna say that one.
Swiftly achieving orgasm.
Okay.
Mine was the third one.
Perhaps
Why not swiftly achieving orgasm?
BuzzFeed presents 10 pictures of blank that look like blank.
Oh my god. This one's messed up. This is so messed up.
I'm throwing my cards away.
Mine are hilarious. Yes. Stewie, lay down. Lay down. No, don't sit. Lay down.
Which one won last round?
Brady.
Okay.
Yeah, the sexting.
Lay down.
Okay.
Alright, BuzzFeed presents 10 pictures of a sad hand job that looked like a mating display. BuzzFeed presents 10 pictures of nude modding Super Mario World that look like forbidden fruit. BuzzFeed presents 10 pictures of Dave Matthews Band that looks like crazy opium eyes. Alright. BuzzFeed presents 10 pictures of Have Some More...
I'm back.
Okay. That looks
Like a
like getting
Jewish
eaten alive
dish.
by Guy Fieri.
Yeah, it's a Jewish
I know, I
dish, I
just can't
think.
pronounce it.
Yeah, I know. It's weird.
BuzzFeed presents 10 pictures of battlefield amputations that look like the haunting stare of an Iraqi child.
Oh my
God! Oh my
pictures of the swim team
I
all
thought
at
that
once
was messed up.
that look like a visually arresting turtleneck.
Yes.
Oh my god.
That was just too amazing.
That was the best. That actually went together really well.
It did.
He did.
Blank. Awesome in theory. Kind of a mess in practice.
Oh! Oh! This would make so much sense.
So does mine.
Mine is really weird.
Oh, another one would have worked too, but hey, why not?
keep having communication
Man.
problems.
Come on, Josh.
Exactly, we're always waiting for Phil.
I'm thinking.
You're gonna lose, okay? Yeah, you.
Pulling out, awesome in theory, kind of a mess in practice. Being paralyzed from the neck down,
Yeah.
awesome in theory, kind of a mess in practice.
I don't think that's
Doing the
awesome.
right
That's
stuff
just a
to
mess
her nipples,
everywhere.
awesome in theory,
Oh my god.
kind of a mess in practice. Nazis! Awesome in theory, kind of mess in practice.
Never.
My relationship
Never.
status, awesome in theory, kind of mess up in practice.
Nazis.
Pulling out sex joke.
I'm
It was
stuck
an
between the
accident, I
pulling
swear.
out, my relationship status, and Nazis.
It was an accident, I swear.
Nazis isn't awesome in theory, though.
Yeah.
I didn't feel it
Well,
coming, and then
maybe
it just
to
happened.
them at the time. Think about it.
I didn't
No.
feel it coming, and it just happened. You know? Oh, I couldn't get out.
Mine was Nazis.
I was relationship
Nazis.
status.
Doing the right stuff to her nipples, yeah.
This season on Man vs. Wild, Bear Grylls must survive in the depths of the Amazon with only blank and his wits. His right hand, if anyone has that, they win.
His right hand
What?
man.
No, his right hand.
I said, what's
Just
he
like
left-handed?
I have something
Left-handed.
better than
Why
his right
don't I
hand.
have that card?
That
Maybe
practically
he's
does the
left-handed.
exact same
Apparently
thing.
I can't use a crappy little hand because I don't have that card.
I deserve
I had
nothing
I
now.
had the invisible hand before.
Invincible.
Every time I click on a crappy little hand, I can't play.
You said what?
Since when would Gavin say something like that? I should go to hell.
What'd you say?
It's practically the same exact thing as his right hand.
Oh,
You'll see my card.
yeah, I'll see it.
Oh, I think he got a blank card.
The Pope,
The Pope?
an
My
overwhelming
worthless son.
variety of cheeses. My worthless son. An unstoppable wave of fire ants. Oh god, that would suck. Tony Marks.
Do you know who that is? She's this fat black author lady.
I think my worthless son won that.
Oh my god.
Oh man.
Wait, Gavin, so which one was yours?
So,
The Pope?
I said it was
think I know.
practically the same exact thing as
yep,
his
the
right
Pope
hand.
is pretty good.
Oh, but my worthless son, though.
So why
Yeah.
did you go to hell for saying that?
Just think about it.
Every step towards blank gets me a little closer to blank.
This one is weird.
Something's stuck in my throat.
Oh.
Damn it.
Uh-oh. Well, Brady's telling me
The
that
first
good.
one's throwaway. Don't read it. It's throwaway.
The first one is?
Yeah.
Every step towards a falcon with a box on its head gets me a little closer to something that looks like a box but turns out to be a crate. Every step towards getting bitten by radioactive spiders and then battling leukemia for 30 years gets me a little closer to not contributing to society in any meaningful way.
Oh my god,
Every
that's
step
messed
towards
up.
a man in yoga pants with a ponytail and feather earrings gets me a little closer to the male gaze. Every step towards slowly evaporating gets me a little closer to a sassy black woman. Every step towards slow motion gets me a little closer to self-flagellation. I'm between two.
Sassy
What two?
black woman.
Yeah. Yes, the sassy black woman. Slowly evaporating into a sassy black woman.
That makes no sense.
I couldn't find anything for the first card. What's copping a feel?
Dude, the sassy black woman one is gone from it. It just disappeared. Oh, there it is. It just like happened to pop
Don't
up.
pick it.
What's copping a
Don't-
feel mean? I forgot.
It means to like grope someone.
Oh,
Boo. Battling leukemia, not contributing to society.
That
Number
one is
4, the
hilarious.
man in the yoga pants.
tonight,
with the
tonight on
feather.
Snake. Are you
Earrings.
afraid of blank?
Oh my gosh, this one's kind of messed up.
I had like 3
This
great
one
ones
makes
for this.
sense. This one
Mine-
makes sense.
Mine kind of
No,
does
this
too.
one makes sense.
Oh, African children?
That was my
No,
favorite.
you didn't read
Oh,
the
yay, I did
African
it.
children?
Naked Sexeter is the best one.
Are you afraid of African children?
That was
If
mine.
Jordan or Pickles wins,
The Smithsonian Museum of Natural History has just opened an exhibit on blank.
I have nothing.
Well, you know Hobocop can't win then.
Why the fuck not? Oh!
Dad
Picture of
Protective
boobs.
Services.
That one wins. No doubt. Natural history. It's natural history. Natural history.
The Iron
Golden
Man
showers.
suit.
Oh my god.
The boner hatch and the Iron Man suit.
Golden
Iron
shower.
The Iron Man suit.
The boner hatch and the Iron Man suit.
It won't let me pick the card.
During Picasso's often overlooked brown period, he produced hundreds of paintings of.
Who doesn't want to see a picture of this?
I'm torn between 2 cards because I don't want to waste a really good card, but I'm not very sure. Screw it.
you might as well now. It's come down to it. So.
Came down to dick and dick.
During Picasso's often overlooked brown period, he produced hundreds of paintings of a squadron of moles wearing aviator goggles, Michael Jackson, socks, the miracle of childbirth, ring pops, stabbing into a hungry man's frozen dinner.
Yay!
Socks.
In Michael Jackson's final moments, he thought about.
If I were to
I
give
would've
kept
Michael
Michael
Jackson
Jackson.
for this,
Yeah.
oh,
That wouldn't
That
have
would have been
won.
amazing.
That
No.
wouldn't have won. I'm
No.
sorry.
No. I win. I win.
Are you sure about that?
I am confident.
How confident?
I think I got something.
I am HIV positive.
What is
Yeah.
Alright,
copping
the
Oh
way to
gosh,
win
you
this
poor
is be
soul.
the one with the cool voice and tell me which card is yours. That's the way you win.
What?
I said that's the way you win, is being the one with the cool voice and then telling me what card is yours. That's how you win. Alright, in Michael Jackson's final moments, he thought about finding a skeleton, the Alamos, copping a feel, overcompensation, doing it in the butt, never watching, discussing, or thinking about My Little Pony.
Wait, did you say the Alamo?
What?
Did you say the
No.
Alamo?
No one
I said
the
Amish.
Alamo.
Doing it
Oh, I
in
thought
the butt.
you said the Alamo. I was
Doing
like, what?
it in the butt. Doing it in the
Like,
butt.
what?
That's not even my card.
That's a
but-
great one. Doing it in the butt is choice.
Oh, that was
What?
Gavin.
That card was choice.
You won't believe these 15 hilarious blank bloopers.
dude, I have such crap.
I'm just putting a crap card out. I have nothing.
Yeah, me too.
Dude, this card is
I have
so
something
amazing.
that's kind of funny.
I just
card is
completely
so
ran
It's
part of my
relatable
whole
to the
hand.
last cards, but
Spaghetti!
Spaghetti.
Hope they serve lots of spaghetti! Mom spaghetti!
I actually searched that up today and listened to
Arms
it
are
during
heavy.
school.
Mom spaghetti! Knees weak, arms are heavy. You won't believe these 15 hilarious vegetarian option bloopers. Never having sex again bloopers. Blackula? Blackula loop. The Great Lizard Uprising of 2352 bloopers. Jackie, forgetting the out. I'm sorry.
Black.
I love the Great Lizard Uprising.
That's amazing.
Yeah, the
It won't let me
Great-
select a
The
card.
funny
The
thing is,
Alamo.
I had no idea what that even was. It was my throwaway card.
Don't worry, kid. It
It
gets
was the
better.
Black
I've been
Dracula.
living with blank for 20 years.
Oh!
Oh jeez, this one is hilarious.
Don't worry, kid. It gets better. I've been living with blank for 20 years.
Mouth herpes.
Oh.
If anybody has it,
I
No,
had
it
that
does
card
not
at the
get
beginning of the
better.
match.
Okay, that's what that is. I just searched Google on one of my
Well,
cards
that's
were.
pretty disgusting.
Yep, that's pretty much
mine
it.
is just like, I don't know, weird, I guess you could say.
Dental dams was the first thing I saw.
I've been living with the clitoris for 20 years. I've been living with like a million alligators for 20 years. I've been living with a web of lies for 20 years. I've been
Josh,
living
are you,
with
did you
my
choose
hump
my humps again?
for 20
No.
years. I've been living
I
with
chose
dental dams
dams.
for 20 years.
Oh, Crystal. You guys know what dental dams are?
Oh, man.
Yeah.
Crystal, that does not get better. I like
What
that
are they?
one personally. I like that one.
What, dental dams?
No.
Yeah.
They're used.
I've been
for,
living with like a million
They're used for
alligators
oral sex.
for 20 years.
They're used for
You-
oral
oh,
sex, vaginal
Young
sex,
Jong-un,
anal
our
sex, and they're
village
also used for
praises your
dental
infinite
procedures.
wisdom with a humble
Yeah.
offering of blank.
So yeah,
This one's
Dear
it's
leader,
protection.
Pretty much
King
the only thing they have.
For the oral sex, it's protection against STDs.
Yeah.
Alright then. That's good to know.
I ran out of cards.
Alright, I think that's a pretty good one.
I pretty much put in the only thing that they have.
Oh no! I should have picked this other one.
He's
Dear
that
leader
skilled.
Kim Jong-un, our village praises your infinite wisdom with a humble offering of mad hacky sack skills, meaning treasures beyond your wildest dreams. Former President George W. Bush getting shot out of a cannon. Depression.
Gavin just depression.
I think no. Look. I think preteens would have won that one. I think preteens would have won that one. Like 12-year-old
Former President Bush.
Kim Jong Un.
Maybe she was born with it. Maybe it's blank. Why am I listening to Scott Joplin?
Oh god damn it! I wish I had attitude.
Mine makes sense.
Maybe it's AIDS.
I just put up a random one.
Doge, 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 wow. Doge, 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 doge.
It's my
Eating a
shitty
piece of
blood
it.
fart. Blood farts wins.
Blood fart.
Pretty Princess Dresses board game.
No.
Gavin!
The winner is Pickles.
I had
That
my
drummer.
machete.
Yay! I won!
Mine was
Include some blank
laser.
cards.
Yeah, I
I
forgot to
won
add some.
thing.
How about
Anyway,
that?
Because there
this
was
is not
some
the
funny
final
ones that I was
episode.
thinking
We
of.
will do one more.